If you're looking to take your TikTok game to the next level, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to be diving into TikTok, the app that has taken the world by a storm. TikTok is a social media platform that allows users to create, share, and discover short videos. It's all about creativity, trends, and connecting with a global community. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just someone who loves to share fun moments, TikTok offers something for everyone. TikTok's unique selling point is its vast library of effects, music, and collaborative features that make content creation more easy and engaging. TikTok lets you record videos directly within the app or upload clips from your camera. You come to the plus icon, then we go to the uploads, then I select the video that I want. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to select it, then next, then next, then I post my video. This flexibility means that you can capture spontaneous moments or even work with pre-recorded content. The seamless transition between recording and uploading makes content creation more easy. TikTok offers a robust set of editing tools, including trimming, rearranging clips, and even adding transitions. So with editing, we'll come to the plus icon, we upload our video. Then after, we're going to trim our video. Editing, you tap on this icon right here, and now you will have to select parts of your video. If you wanna trim to split, you can split the video. You can remove one part, delete the part. You can add sound, you can add text, you can overlay so that the video is above maybe an image or something. Then you can also adjust the contrast, brightness, brilliance, sharpness. Yeah, all these options are available. So since these are the basics, if let me know in the comment section if you want me to explore all the features of the editing in TikTok. Yeah, so that is it for the editing. Yeah, you can also rearrange your clips. You can move this part, you can split this and move it forward. You can increase the speed if you want. These tools allow for a polished and a professional looking video without needing the third-party applications. The effects gallery provides a wide range of creative options to enhance your videos. So the green screen effect allows you to change your background to any image or video. So with the green screen effect, we'll come to the plus icon. And yeah, that is me, that's my background. And now I'll come to effects. Then I'll search for green screen. Then I'll select green screen. Yeah, it's right there. That's the green screen effect. This is perfect for storytelling and adding context to your content. The variety of visual effects keeping your content fresh and engaging. So access TikTok's vast library of music and sound to add to your videos. Let me give an example. This is our video that I just want to add the sound effects. I'll come here and I'll accept, and now I'll search for an effect or a background song or a sound effect. I'll select it and it will be applied to my video that I'll be uploading on TikTok. So you can also select, you can add a favorite. Maybe you tap that, it's already the favorite. So if you wanna disable that, just tap right there, it's gone. So you tap and it's gonna be displayed. Due to copyright, I can't play this sound. This feature is great for following up trends and adding on an extra layer of creativity. The ability to remix content by using sound effects from other videos keeps the platform dynamic. This feature allows you to create side-by-side reaction videos with other users. Now the duet will come to one video, maybe one video of one VTech, and now we'll go to the three-dot menu, then we'll scroll all over and we'll tap duet. And what's gonna do, I can record myself, I can record maybe the PC, like a duet. Yeah, you record and it's linked to the other video that you are duetting. Yeah, so that is it. You just have to hit record. And so similar to duet, let's tap the three-dot menu and now we go to stitch. I just want to stitch this video, then I'll hit next, then I'll record my other video added to that pre-recorded video. So that's how stitch works. This is the one in blue, that's my stitch. That's what I've added onto the video. It is perfect for collaboration and engaging with the TikTok community. The ease of use and potential for viral content makes these features must-tries. So change your voice with an effect and add voiceovers to narrate your videos. So let's add the voice effects on our videos and voiceovers. So let's upload our video. Let's get our video to the editing section, and now we'll have the voice. So these are the voice effects. If you wanted any voice effect on this video, giant, mic, echo, it will change the voice tone to sound familiar to these. This adds a personality and a uniqueness to your content. The wide range of effects lets you experiment and keep your audience entertained. So easily you can switch between TikTok accounts without logging out. To switch accounts, you will have to come to right there, and now you switch account. Here we are, we've switched the account. Yeah, so that is it. It is ideal for users managing multiple profiles like professional and business accounts. The quick switching capability saves you time and efforts. Throughout the video, we'll showcase the TikTok interface and highlighting each feature as we discuss it. Make sure you comment in the comment section below. TikTok's user-friendly and vibrant colors plus the intuitive navigation makes it accessible to all users. We'll zoom out on the key areas and show where exactly these features are and how to use them. So number one pro is the extensive creative tools. TikTok offers a wide variety of features for content creation, making it easy to produce high-quality videos. This app's design is intuitive, which means that you can start creating without a steep learning curve. If we look at features like Duet and the Stitch foster collaboration and community engagement, the sheer number of effects can be overwhelming for new users. So managing multiple accounts and privacy settings might be tricky for some users. TikTok is more than just a social media application. It's a powerful platform for creativity, community, and content creation, from versatile video editing tools to its engaging collaborating features. There is something for everyone. So if you haven't already, give these features a try and see how you can enhance them in your TikTok experience. And if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not yet subscribed for more tech tips and app reviews and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.